Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Theesilverviera and thank you for watching. Today in this video I'm going to be opening my trunk club. Trunk Club is a Nordstrom service that gives you a stylist who then handpicks out everything from shoes, accessories, clothes, handbags, sends them to your door for free, and you only pay for what you keep, and you get 5 days to try everything on, and then you return what you don't want. I am trying to figure out how to get this out of here. It's like on a hanger. Okay. So every month before they send the trunk full of all your items, they will give you like a preview and you can say like, yes, I want that, please send it to me, or that's not really my style, maybe find something else. So this is one of the dresses that she sent me, and I'm pretty sure I told her I didn't want this, or it was like a very similar one. I am not a fan of like my boobs trying to go in these little, I don't know, that's just not really my style. It's very short, so it might actually be cute on. Let's try it on. So this is the first dress that I pulled out, and it is a little too small, definitely one size too small. I couldn't even get it all the way zipped up in the back, but it is very tight, very short. I definitely would go up a size in this, but I'm not even sure if I like it because I don't like this. Frumpy, grumpy, not my style. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm definitely not keeping this because it doesn't fit and it's not really my style. Okay, I am home alone and this top zips from the top down and I cannot reach it. I've tried everything. So I can't even zip this, but it is a crop top and I think this is so ugly. I would never wear this. This might be cute on someone else, but like these puffy sleeves, no. This same like frumpiness that your boobs have to fit into, no. I love that it's cropped and like long sleeve, but I hate literally everything about it and I can't even get it zipped right now, so this is definitely getting sent back. I should have started this video out by saying that I actually haven't been very happy with my trunk club. I think that my stylist like doesn't understand my style, and maybe I'm like really bad at like communicating what that is specifically, or I'm just way too picky because I usually don't really like anything that she sends me, but we're working on it. This next top is way too small and I could not physically get it on. I could barely get my arms in these sleeves. So it's like a tiny, tiny white little crop top. I don't mind how it's like crossed and how short it is. Like I said, I couldn't even get my arm in this. Like my arms are definitely an issue for me where I am small on top, but like if something is like long sleeve and really, really tight, then my arm is not gonna go in it. So yeah, I couldn't even get this on like at all. It sounded like it was like about to rip. So this is a no. It's maybe cuter than the last two things, but I still like wouldn't buy this if I was out shopping for myself. Not something that I would usually pick, so unfortunately this is another no. I am just picking stuff off the top, so this is next and looks to be like another dress, bright colored, pretty plain. Let me try it on and see what it looks like. Okay, this might be the first thing that I'm like decently happy with, but it is very, very tight. So I might have to order a new size or like maybe try to lose weight or something. As this slit here comes down to about my knee. Very tight all the way everywhere. Zips all the way up in the back, which was kind of hard to do, but I got it. Yeah, I like this like square neckline. I don't think I have anything like that. It's just so tight. Like one size bigger would be good, or if I need to just like stretch it out or something. Because I don't want it to be like less tight in certain areas, but I don't know, I'll have to think about this one. My stylist just thinks that I love like these ruffly sleeves or something. I feel like this entire trunk has been ruffles and duffels and grossness, but I don't like this shirt at all. I actually couldn't even get it zipped. It's like way too small. Well, it feels like decent everywhere, but like it zips down the side and this is supposed to be like snug and it's definitely too small. Can't zip it. Would never even look twice at this. It's got some like black flowers on it. They're okay, I guess, but like not for me. I hate it. I hate it possibly more than the first like Daisy one crop top thing, but this is getting set back. Check out these shorts. They are denim and they are like crisscrossed where they have like buttons. So there's like 3 buttons this way, button fly. I really like them. They're high-waisted, they're super comfy, they've got nice pockets. I love the length on them. They're kind of longer, like almost a Bermuda length. They're really cool. I think this would be really cool with like the crop top I'm wearing now, or any kind of like cute little going out top. You can wear these with heels, with flats. This is actually something that I love. Finally, something that I really like, so I'm going to be keeping these shorts. They are cute. Okay, something else that I actually love is this bright fuchsia dress. It's very tight, zips all the way up the back, and it is a high-low hemline with kind of like a ruffly effect at the bottom. I know I just went on a tangent about how I hated ruffles. This is more of a dress that I would be wearing to a wedding. Here's the ruffles. I actually like them. It's fun. It's good for a wedding, good for dancing. I actually do love this dress, so I think I'm going to keep it. I told my stylist that I was going to a wedding this summer, which unfortunately the wedding's been postponed. But I think this is the dress I'm going to wear when they eventually reschedule. I really love it. It's very like thick too. Like I feel there's like a layer underneath almost that's, I don't know, just kind of like holds you in and like makes you feel secure because it is thick and like tight once you zip it up. So yeah, I really like this dress. I'll definitely be wearing it next year for wedding season. So I just tried on another pair of shorts that my stylist sent me. I think I'm gonna return these, and here's why. They're kind of big, which isn't bad, but they're like below my belly button, kind of sitting right on the hips, which is fine, but like my ass is hanging out, like, no. I think that they're cute and they're comfy, but I just don't know like where I would wear these, where it would be okay that like my ass cheeks are hanging out. Maybe a concert or something. I have other shorts that are kind of short, but nothing this short, and I just don't feel comfortable with like the bottom of my butt cheeks hanging out while I'm in shorts. So I'm gonna send these back. So this was in my box as well, and this is a pair of Skims, and I think it's cool that she sent me this because I've never like, I guess I've never like seen in person a pair of Skims or felt them or anything, you know? This is a one-legged Skim. So that orange dress that I had on that I said I love, but I'm gonna return it because it was too small, had that high slit. This would be something that you could wear and have that leg with the slit is over here and this is like smoothing out your leg. That dress was so tight that I would not be able to even fit this underneath. I think the idea is cool. I'm pretty comfortable with my body, and if I do feel a little fat, like I'll literally work out and starve myself for 2 weeks before whatever I'm doing. So I don't know. I don't know if I'd ever need these or use them, and I just would rather not waste my money. If anything, I would use the boob tape, and I don't even really think I need to use that. So I don't know. I'm not gonna keep these. Got a pair of shoes. Haven't looked at them yet. These are Jeffrey Campbell. They have really cool packaging. She sent me a pair that I ended up sending back like 2 months ago in my trunk. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know if I love it or hate it, but these are the shoes that she sent me. They're really cool. I've never seen anything like this. So it's got a really cool heel. I love the little blue fur. This little ankle chain is kind of cute. It reminds me of like Romy and Michelle, their high school reunion. I love that they're silver as well. I usually do, I have like a pair of silver shoes in like every style because I love the color and I love it as like an accessory. Okay, these are hard to get on, hold on. I do remember I wrote my stylist a message saying Really sorry that it's probably hard to shop for me. I have a lot of clothes and shoes. I have over like 200 pairs of shoes, most of those being heels, so it's like impossible to send me something I don't already have because I feel like I just send back the heels she always sends me. These are definitely something I don't already have. So I'm gonna like maybe look into how much these are because I imagine they're kind of pricey because they're so cool. So in the trunk club, you get like this little pamphlet that tells you what's inside and how much everything costs. It also comes with the stickers to retape your box shut and then the shipping label to return it. Those shoes are $199.95. That's actually not too bad. I thought they were gonna be more expensive. They're definitely really cool. The crisscross shorts that I wanted to keep, the black ones, those are $168. And these ones that I have on now, the lighter ones that I said I didn't love, these are $128. They're both the brand Goldie. I've never heard of them, but like you can tell they're definitely really nice shorts. I don't think I can afford to keep both of them. I'm probably just gonna keep the black ones. But yeah, I really like them. So I want to keep those two things, the sandals and the shorts, which of course I pick like the most expensive things in the trunk to keep. Oh, the Bardot dress. That dress is only $47. The hot pink, like high-low ruffles on the bottom. Wow, $47.60. So I definitely can keep the three things that I did want to keep because the dress is so cheap and it makes up for the shorts being 3 times as much. Wow, this was fun. So I actually ended up keeping more in this trunk than I have in my last 2, which in my last 2 I bought 2 items, and this one I'm going to be purchasing 3, so a little bit better. I don't think I'll fire my stylist yet. I think that she's, like the fact that she sent me those shoes, like, okay, you get it. Like I like unique, like funky stuff that no one else is gonna wear, and that is definitely something that if I am rocking those, I am confident that I won't see another bitch in the club with the same shoes on. I hated so much of it though that I'm gonna be like, Kylie, what is with all the ruffles? These just stole the show. Like I definitely can't fire my stylist, Kylie, after this because she showed up. She was like, oh, you don't like any of the things I send you? What about these? And you know what? Thank you. I didn't know these existed or that I could afford them. So cute. Wow. Okay, that is it. Those were all my items in my trunk club. I will be keeping 3 things, which isn't too bad. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like trunk club, if you've ever fired a stylist, and like, should I do that? Also, if you guys want to keep seeing me open up my trunk clubs. This is only my 3rd one, so I'm going to continue to get them. Let me know if you guys like this video and if you'd like to see more, and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified every time I upload. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
I have dreams about new conditions.
Why'd you have to meow? This is little brother. Surgery on his belly. The ruffles and the duffels and the crap.